Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the cleaning preference settings overview on your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first, what you guys need to do to enter those settings is scroll down to Product Settings, and now here find Cleaning Preferences. As you guys can see here, we have the cleaning passes, and we can choose between 1 pass, 2 pass, or the room size clean. And it's all up to your preference, as you guys know. So for me, it will be the room size clean. Now we need to wait for it to apply. As you guys can see, for me something went wrong, but if you try, then I'm sure that it would work. Maybe it's because my robot is not charging now. So let me just continue and go to bin full behavior. As you guys can see here, we can choose between cleaning when full or not cleaning when full. As you guys can see, we can change it. And the next one is the liquid amount. As you guys can see, you can use the Eco, Standard, or Ultra. For me, the best one is the Standard one, because Eco is just not that much and Ultra is just too much. So Standard it is for me. Now let's go to obstacle detection. I recommend using this one because it's much better with it, like cables, everything here. And now the next one is the suction. Here I recommend using high, and if you guys want, you can also change it to low or medium depending on your preference. Now here we also have the pad wash unavailable behavior, and here we can select the continue mopping or do not mop. Now it's not all the preferences, because here you have dry pad after job, and now you can disable it or enable it by tapping on this little switch. Now, as you guys can see, we have the child/pet lock, and it's pretty useful if you have any children or pets at home. So I do not have it, so it's disabled for me. Now, as you guys can see here, we have the status lights, and here we can change it to docking status, no status lights, or docking and charging status. It's all up to our preference, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.